How's it going, seniors? I want to talk to you about your assignment. I need to change the date. It says the 15th. You technically have two assignments on the 16th, but this one is going to be goals and bucket list. So when you open it, you're going to notice you have a senior checklist, and on the notes I did say this is information for you. There's not an assignment from this, but it's a checklist that helps you your senior year. Like, what should I be doing at the beginning of year? What should I be doing in October? Just to make sure you're on track to get into and apply for college. Second one is a GPA goal setting form. That's this form right here. So when you click on it, it's going to open, and then you are going to answer these questions. Now, if it's easier for you, you can just copy this onto a Google Doc and just answer what's there. If you can print it, take a picture and turn it in, that's fine. But you do actually have to submit that back to me on this assignment. And the last one, a little bit of fun and a little bit of creativity. You're going to make a senior year bucket list. A bucket list it comes from a term, kick the bucket. So something a group of things that people want to do before they pass on, places they want to go, things they want to do. So remember, you guys are going to graduate this year, and this is going to be your last year ever in public school that you're required to attend. So you're going to create a senior bucket list. What are 5 things that you want to accomplish this year? And you're going to be a little creative for me. And so I put an example. I went ahead and I went into Google Docs, and I found, if you notice, it says my, M-Y. I have a bucket and then list. Now, I didn't put anything on there, but you can come over here to insert, and you can put images, like upload from the computer, search. You can put photos. You can actually type in. So if you want to put number 1, number 2, it doesn't have to be like this. This is just an example, but it says my bucket list. But on your page, I want the 5 things that you want to accomplish by the end of this year. This is Google Docs, but you're also welcome to use slides or something else. If you're an artist, you like to hand draw, you can hand draw and decorate it, and then just take a picture and upload it. All right, seniors, thank you. Have a great day. 2021.